Rise and shine, putos. Another day, another build video. My brake pedal doesn't go all the way. Like, it doesn't stop how it's supposed to. Like in yours, like you pump it, you feel like compressed air and yours just stop. Mine, you can go all the way down. You're not supposed to do that. So I'm having the issue where my car does not want to go into gear. We changed slaves and still no issue. Now earlier when I was building the brakes, I didn't film it, but I just wanted to see if it'd go into gear in the air for some reason. I don't know. And it did. The car goes into gear when it's jacked up, but when it's on the floor, it does not want to go into gear at all. I had this problem before, and the slave was at an angle, but we adjusted the slave so many times trying to see if it'll go into gear, and I don't know why it ain't going into gear. So I'm gonna jack it up, and I'm gonna look at the axles and see if they're fully in the shafts, or I don't know. That shit even make sense. Transmission? I don't know. One of them shit. Car jacked up off the ground. It's in gear. Ready can get it going to gear. It won't go in reverse though. I don't know why it won't go in reverse. It won't go in reverse. Man, you a transmission? It's probably it's not my transmission. So we came to the conclusion that well, since when I put this motor back together, my flywheel had
Percy doesn't listen.
What?
You don't listen?
Oh, I don't. Yeah, my flywheel had hot spots. Pressure plate had hot spots. Has hot spots. So I'm gonna drop the transmission and in the meantime, and then order a clutch tonight. Huh? Yeah, Rainy. I told Rainy I could drop the transmission in 45 minutes. It's 6:30 right now, so about 7:10 I should be done. Let's do this. All right, 7:26, and yeah, I failed. All I gotta do now is just loosen out the bolt and drop it. Everything else is done. Blown today and came by with a jack so I can support the motor. That's Brit. And transmission is dropped. Now it's time to shower and get the hell out of here. So me and Brit can go to this barbecue place. We had 99.9 jams. It's taking a detour for Brit Radio. We're listening to. We're at this place called Bono's Barbecue Pit and Grill. I told Brit let's dine and dash, but she tripping. She said that's illegal.
You want to go to jail?
How I'm gonna go to jail? I probably just get shot, but I ain't going to jail. That's the only thing that would happen.
That's what I'll get deported.
Got me some ribs. What you chowing down on? Yes. That was so awkward, bro. Oh. Brit can eat, y'all. Brit tore this shit up, bro. Brit was hungry as fuck.
Okay, Percy.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Alright, cool. So,
you gotta get a bite with the ice cream.
Okay.
Yes.
Which one's first?
This boy's never tried peach cobbler before.
Which one's first?
What do you mean, which one's first? You try it together. That with the ice cream. This boy don't know how to eat.
Damn, I dropped it. I didn't eat it.
Okay, I got a little bit right there.
No way. No
It's like
way.
alcohol again. It was sweet. I think
That's what peach is. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Rise and shine, putos. Next day. Now, I got the transmission off with the linkage because I didn't feel like taking off the bitch pin, so I just dropped it from the shifter itself. Got the clutch off, the pressure plate, flywheel, got the works off, son. So this is the problem I was having for sure. Look at this pressure plate. And I was dumb enough to put it back in because I was like, yo, Randy was like, yo, just replace it. I'm like, nah, bro, it worked before. I had put in the new ACT clutch disc I had received, and I didn't replace the pressure plate. Dumbass! And the flywheel, yo, the flywheel's done too. Like, look at that. Look at that, dude. Hot spotted like a mofo. Now, while I have the transmission off, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and reseal the transmission casing because I have a leak underneath my transmission, and the only way I'm leaking from the transmission is through the casing. I believe. I don't know. Huh? clean the garage a little bit so I can get some room, because I have something for this that I can't wait to unveil to you guys next video. But just sucks that I had to drop the transmission because I was being stupid and was rushing and didn't want to wait for a clutch to come in when I first did the swap with the new motor. So now I have to wait like 3 days for the clutch kit to come in. And if you guys are wondering, Zosh, yo Zosh, bro, what clutch kit you went with? I went with an Action Clutch Stage 3 6-puck through Neo Garage. He gave me a great, bro, I'm telling you guys, bro, hey, I got a great deal on the clutch through them. So I cannot wait for that to come in the mail. I was told at 3 days ship time, so I should have it hopefully Tuesday, the latest. Hey man, if you guys are looking for parts out there, bro, Neo Garage is the truth, bro. Hey, for all my Florida people and people around the damn globe or whatever, he ship internationally. Neo Garage, bro. If you need clutch kits, link down below. So as far as my flywheel getting replaced, there's a guy in town that have an OEM one for like 20 bucks and you have the aftermarket one for 40. I head over to his crib and see which one's, you know, obviously in better condition. I wouldn't mind an OEM flywheel because I'm turbo, and it's better to run a OEM flywheel than a lightweight flywheel for turbo purposes. If I even try to explain why it's better, I'm gonna sound retarded. But if you have an all motor setup, then obviously run the lightweight flywheel. I'm gonna head over there on the Ruckus. I can't really vlog it, so when I get back, hopefully I'll have a flywheel. If not, then well, got some good news. Your boy did pick up a flywheel. Shout out to a guy I met named Lewis. He's actually a subscriber and he watches the videos, because you could say you subscribe, but I mean, you know, what? Picked up me an OEM flywheel for 20 bucks, bro, and it is good to go. It has no surface cracks on it, which is good. I'm gonna hit it with some brake cleaner, and tomorrow Christina should be driving. Heading up to Tampa tomorrow to visit Marty, but you guys may know him on Instagram as WorksJDM. I'm gonna head up there and pick up Stage 3 6-puck Action Clutch. And also I want to give thanks again to Neo Garage for making this even possible. So Neo, appreciate you, brother. Thank you. What's up, y'all? Rise and shine, putos again. It is 6:20 in the AM. Time to head over to visit Mr. Marty to pick up this Action Clutch in person, baby. Your boy don't want to wait till like Tuesday or Wednesday when the clutch comes in, because your boy trying to drive his car today. Today is Saturday, so let's head up to Tampa and pick up this clutch. I'm by myself.
I'm so reborn. I'm moving forward. Keep
2 hours and 12 minutes later, your boy made it to the place where I need to be. Well, I'm like 5 minutes away from Marty's place or whatever, but your boy made it. And man, Tampa, bro, Tampa's far suck. Mr. Marty.
What was that trip?
It was long, bro. It was super long. I know, man. What's up, brother?
Man, Albert.
It's a person.
Old 30s. Some of them old 40s. Some of them
Damn, transmission for days.
Here goes your pressure plate right there.
Yeah.
And of course you have all your accessory stuff there, everything to go with it.
I never drove a car with an Action Clutch, so I'm
Well, this
I'm
is
really
the good thing.
stoked.
The good thing about this is that I like when people like you never use it actually can say, "Hi, you know, this stuff works." You know, once you get it on there,
Yeah.
it's gonna be something where now you experienced it all the time.
Yeah, now
I tried this. This stuff works. You know what I'm saying? It works.
Oh, I can't wait.
But now, like I said, that I have you over there, over by I think West Palm Beach, man.
Yeah, I'm about like 30
All right.
minutes away from West Palm.
All right, so you out there, and now people could, you know, understand this stuff.
Yeah.
At least you can talk about it.
Exactly. I can get my, like, oh,
You
damn.
can give your input. You know?
I've never.
Some people, like I said, it's me. It's a hit or miss when it comes to say, you know, crap for Stone Soup Viper. You know, I don't care what brand it is. If it ain't meant for you, it ain't meant for you.
Yeah.
You know, people have bad experience on things that either they did something wrong, it was manufactured wrong, or anything could go wrong. That's just the way it works. But a clutch, ask me. I dealt with a lot of company clutches, man, and I had bad experience. I don't want to say no names, but you know, things happen.
Yeah,
it happens. Yeah. But if they could give you that tech support where, all right, this happened to you, let me help you, then that'll give it a better name.
Exactly. Customer service. That's say, what it is.
The hell with you, you know, you did something wrong. Now let's work with each other.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's work with each other and see what happened. And then if it's something where we can help you, say, right, let's absorb it. Let me just give it to you. I'm gonna make you happy. Now you can talk even better about it.
Exactly. Wow. What is it? 24? 24
with an S head.
Damn.
The good thing about this, it's that it has air conditioning.
Oh, you kept the AC.
Yeah,
Wow.
I kept the AC, and of course, power steering works. All the functions on the car works. Everything.
Damn,
like
man, this is crazy.
Car, you know what I mean?
What motors even come in these things? Like those
Deep? Let me show you. Check this out. So this is I call it the 1-ton motor because it's so heavy. This tranny.
Oh.
This is what comes in it. This transmission alone weighs, I would say, about a little over half of what I just put in there. This tranny alone. This thing
is huge.
It's heavy. It's really heavy. So we took this motor off, put that motor, removed the batteries, removed the harness, all the hybrid stuff. So we took off, you could say, about 170 pounds off of that car. With whatever we added, about 170 pounds we just removed from that car.
Damn. Was the swap hard? Like with like...
Oh man, this is the most easiest swap anybody could do on a CRZ, to be honest. It's really no modifications. It ain't where you have to cut, where you have to weld anything. It's just bolt on, you're done. Plug in the harness, jump 3 wires.
Wow.
Go to the dealer, re-chip the key, then start the car and put your clutch where you go. That's it.
Damn. Got that action clutch, baby. Shout out to my man Marty and shout out to Neo Garage for making this possible. Bro, Marty is like the coolest dude I wish that was my dad, bro. Him and his son, that shit was dope, man. Marty's the coolest, bro. Now we got another 2-hour road trip back home, so let's jam to this Kid See Ghost, this Daytona, this ASAP Rocky testing, and make it home and get this clutch installed so we can finally drive Christina. I need to get gas. Where's that cheap gas at? 267. I'm back up a little bit, get the 267 gas. This is highly illegal, but hey, bro. What a beautiful nap that was. But now it's time to get down to business. Yeah, boy. Picked up an action clutch today. I've never drove a car with action clutch, so this should be interesting. The only clutches I've ever ridden were OEM, Exedi, competition clutch, and ACT. And out of all of them, ACT has been my favorite. So hopefully action clutch, I don't know, bro. Everyone swears by it, lives by it. So I hope that this clutch can like be like, yo, damn, I see why y'all about this life. But let's open it up and see exactly what your boy got. So remove the cover. I opened this like 40 times already. So if it looks like not, I don't know, professional, then you know it's me. Take off the cover. Right here we got the disc itself. This is a 6-puck sprung clutch. Oh lord, I'm out of focus. I can't even autofocus it. But here it is. Freaking beautiful. Put that there. Then we have the pressure plate right here. Look how nice that. Look at my finger, dude. Okay, you see the surface of this pressure plate? Mint. Not so mint, bro. So we're definitely going into gear today. For sure, we're definitely going into gear today. We have the clutch alignment tool, we have the throttle bearing, and we have the pilot bearing. Whee! Now that I got everything, I got the flywheel, and I got my clutch, now it's time to install it. But you guys will get that next video. You know what I'm saying? I gotta keep the daily uploads playing. Y'all already see me you know what I'm saying, drop the transmission and all, you know what I'm saying? Let me, you know what I'm saying, give y'all some upload, you know what I'm saying? Let me give y'all some upload, you know what I'm saying? I love you guys though. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. It will be a daily upload for the next 2-3 days, maybe 4 days, because I got hella ruckus content coming your way. Like 3 days worth of ruckus content that I just gotta film it, but I got it. So daily uploads for like the next couple of days. Yeah, huge thank you to Marty and Neo's Garage for making that possible. huge thank you to Neo. Without Neo, I wouldn't have this clutch so soon. So huge thank you to him, and huge thank you to Marty for looking out for me in the world. Like, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Looking out, you know, just looking out, you know what I'm saying? Check out WorkJDM on Instagram. Check out Neo Garage Online at neogarageonline.com. Click the special link down below to Neo Garage to get that extra help, you know, help. So, but thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.